15 Physical and Spiritual Benefits of Prekese, Aiden Fruits. Here are 15 spiritual and physical benefits of Prekese. 1. It helps treat diabetes type 2. 2. It is used to drive away evil forces from our homes and surroundings. 3. It's used to treat skin rashes. 4. The fruit Prekese contains spiritual powers used for healing all kinds of strange illnesses. 5. Prekese helps your business grow. 6. Prekese cures bareness. 7. Prekese can be brewed to make Prekese tea, which is used for weight loss. 8. Helps stops evil dreams. 9. Help treat fever and malaria. 10. Helps prevent heart diseases. 11. It reduces inflammation in arthritis and rheumatism patients. 12. Helps people suffering from constipation, enema, and emetic. 13. Due to its strong nature, it is used as a mosquito repellent. 14. Used in making soap. 15. Prekese cures blood pressure. Pour water into a cooking pot and boil it over high heat. Soak the pieces of Prekese in warm water and cover them with a lid. Let the Prekese soak for about 30 minutes to an hour. NB. The longer it soaks, the more it releases all the juice and flavor from its pods. It is advisable to cut Prekese into small pieces and soaked in water for about 2 to 3 days and then used it as a regular medicinal drink. Take it as regularly as you drink water. And keep refilling it with water until it becomes soft, then you can replace it. Women can use Prekese to look healthier after giving birth. It heals wounds quickly and restores you to your youthful age. Prekese has so many health benefits that we can't finish talking about.